Hi, I'm Tasmania, the fabulous one. Thank you for tuning into my unboxing. I'm doing this very quickly, guys. I'm unboxing my Tory Burch today. Today is my nephew's graduation. Please say congratulations, Sharif, with caps and gowns in the comment section, because today is his graduation. So, real fast, I have to do this unboxing because I want to wear this bag to graduation. So, obviously, the box comes packaged like this. It's less than 2 pounds. I took off private information and stickers and things like that. Let's get right into it. I'm sorry I'm doing it so fast, guys, but graduation is in a little bit and I gotta hurry up for my sister Lydia kills me. But this is how it comes. Oh my God. And then they have a little thank you from Tory Burch, and it has a QR code on the back. It's so pretty. And it comes packaged like this. Alright. Isn't that pretty? Nice little gold emblem, their little logo. Comes nice and wrapped. Sorry I'm moving so fast, guys, but I'm trying to do this quickly and just show you guys all the details of the bag. It's the Chevron camera bag, and this is how it comes by Tory Burch.